Hello, good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, we have completed our first semester portion. In that, we have already studied the lesson number 1, 2, and 3. Today's in this session, and in this session, we will just discuss about the summer assignment. Yes, my dear students, you will get your summer assignments on your school website. Okay, so here I am going to show you what is your summer assignment and how you have to do it in your copy. Okay, how you will do that. Okay, so first we will you can see this is the lesson number 3. So I have given you summer assignment from this lesson only. Okay, so our question is of summer assignment: draw or paste the picture of different types of beaks of birds and mention their functions. Once again I repeat, draw or paste the picture of different types of beaks of birds and mention their functions. For reference, you can go on page number 37. Okay, and this you have to do it in your classwork copy. And now I am going to show you your classwork copy. This is your classwork copy, students. It is clear? Interleave copy. Class 3rd students, be careful. Interleave copy you have to use. Okay, clear? One side plain and one side line 1. Okay, rule 1. Clear? So first you will see like this plain page and this rule page. You will open. First you will write the question answer of lesson number 3 that you will get. Okay, and then after writing question answer of lesson number 3, on the plain page you will write summer assignment 2020-21. Okay, and then question you will write here only: draw or paste the picture of different types of beaks of birds and mention their functions. Okay, question you will write here, and you can decorate this page with your own design. Okay, decorate means you can draw some flowers, some birds, pictures. Okay, and you can color it with the pencil color. Nobody will use the sketch, please remember it. Okay, if you will use the sketch, your copy will become dirty. Okay, it will print on another side. So after writing heading summer assignment 2020-21, question you will write. After that you can decorate this page. Okay, you can write this summer assignment in your style. Okay, and then next page, rule page. Okay, in this page you will put the heading different types of beaks. Okay, different types of beaks, as you can see in the book. Here page number 35, it is given there, different types of beaks. This heading you will write on the copy. Okay, here, clear? And then suppose you are writing different types of beaks heading, and then first kind of beak is given in your book is sharp, strong and hooked beak. So here first you will paste one picture. Okay, you will paste one picture. Clear? Okay, in this block, suppose you are making if you are drawing, your drawing is very good, so you can make it. Okay, or otherwise you can paste. If old book is there, so you can paste. Okay, Clear? So here you will write sharp. Here you will write sharp, strong, the first type of beak, okay, and hooked beak. Hooked beak. This is the heading, okay. First kind of different types of beaks in that. First sharp, strong and hooked beak. Then here you will put the function. Heading you will write function. Okay. Remember students, you have to do with the pencil. But you can underline the headings with the blue color pencils. Okay. No need to use the red color. Okay. Function you can see here in the book, it is given there. They have a sharp, strong and hooked beak that help them to tear flesh. So function, what you will write? They help them to tear the flesh. Okay, this type of beaks help them to tear the flesh. Clear? Clear students? Okay, so this is about the summer assignment. Then second one, same as it is, you will paste here another picture. Here you will write the kind of beak and here you will write function of beak. Okay, which kind of beak it is and what is the function of that beak. Then third also you will do like this. Okay, picture you will paste, kind of beak and its function. Then next page student, this is clear. Summer assignment question, different types of beaks, and this is the kind of beaks. Picture you have to paste it. If you are not getting, then only you will draw, but please, if your drawing is not good, draw it. You can take the help of your parents, okay, but don't give to them fully. Okay, you have to do it. Summer assignment, clear? It should be done by you. Clear? So, and you can also take the help of your book. Okay, and this bird's beaks picture is available in every old book. Okay, EVS book is there. In that you can search general science book. Old general science book is there. In that also you can get this picture. Okay, so here first picture, second picture, third picture. Then next when you will write, dear students, remember this, when you will paste the picture, in front of that only you have to write its type of beaks and its function. Type of beaks and its function, remember it. And then when you will turn this page, this should be it will be become dirty, so leave this plain page again. Then number 4 here you will do. Okay, then it's kinds of beak and function of beaks. Clear? Then again 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. On one page 3 pictures only. Okay, one page 3 pictures, 3 beaks name, 3 functions. Okay, that is clear. Okay, because total 9 types of beaks are there. When you will go on the page number 37, you can see this chart, different kinds of beaks. In this you can see how many kinds of beaks are there. Okay, pictures are also here. 35, 36, 37 page number you can see and you can do it. Okay, clear? So this is your summer assignment. Okay, this also you will get on the school website, don't worry. Okay, and this is the way to solve the summer assignment in your general science copy, general science classwork copy. Okay, don't do anywhere else, and make sure you have to use the pencil only for writing question, for writing this function, beak, types of beaks. Okay, heading you can write with a blue color pencil, or you can underline with blue color pencil. Okay, clear? I hope this is clear. Summer assignment. If any doubt is there, please listen the video once again, okay, and clear your doubt, okay. I hope this is understood. Okay, so students, here our portion is completed. I have given you question answers also, explained you all the chapters of summer first semester, and we have completed everything. Summer assignment also I have given you how you have to solve it. This also I have told you in this session. So please be careful and complete all the things and enjoy your summer vacation, okay? Have a good day.